There is a profound shift that occurs when you cultivate inner peace. It quietly and fundamentally changes your relationship with approval. Before this peace takes root, we often exist in a state of quiet desperation, our sense of self a fragile vessel we hope others will fill with their validation. We measure our worth in reflections we see in other people's eyes, constantly adjusting our sails to catch the favorable winds of their opinions. But peace offers a different way. It doesn't ask you to reject praise, but it frees you from the desperate need for it. As your identity becomes stronger internally, the frantic urgency for outside approval begins to lose its power. Imagine building a house. For so long, you may have used the flimsy, temporary materials of external opinions to construct your walls. But with inner work, you begin to lay a foundation of stone. Your own values, your own integrity, your own self-acceptance. This internal architecture is sturdy. It doesn't sway with every passing comment or criticism. Your sense of who you are is no longer outsourced. It is sourced from within. This growing inner stability naturally reduces the external hunger. The constant, gnawing need for more likes, more compliments, more recognition begins to subside. It's replaced by a quiet contentment, a feeling of being whole just as you are. You realize that the validation you were chasing was merely a substitute for the self-acceptance you were withholding. When you learn to provide that for yourself, the external world's offerings become a bonus, not a necessity for survival. You can finally enjoy a compliment without needing it to breathe. So, take a moment to notice. Gently, and without judgment, notice where you still seek unnecessary approval. Is it in the way you share your life online? In the conversations you have with friends or family? In your career, where you might overextend yourself for a simple nod of validation? Acknowledging this seeking isn't a failure. It is the first step toward freedom. It's a quiet act of awareness that illuminates the path back to yourself. Each time you notice it, you have a choice to continue seeking outside, or to turn inward and offer yourself the peace you were looking for all along.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.